Good evening, everyone. Welcome once again to this channel. The name still remains Tech TV. Today, we are going to learn how to make money online free into your mobile money account. This is not in any bank account or something like that. It's through your mobile money account. And there is this website that have an app that we all know that we call Video App Loans. Video App Loans is a platform or app that is out to help you pick loans with a low interest by paying when you have the money back. And we are not going to pick loan, we are only going to make money there by getting a referral. For us not to waste time, let's just jump into this. Now go to the Play Store and download your video app. After downloading it, register with the promo code there. There is a referral code at the description and in the comment section. Please use it to register and you earn 15 cedis as a commission. I will also earn 15 cedis as a commission. As a creator, you earn 15 cedis because I who make you or who refer you has already taken a loan, so you also receive 15 cedis as a commission. Before taking any loan, you receive that 15 cedis attached to your loan and you start to refer more people. So we are not here to take loan, so we are here to refer. So the number of people you refer depend on the number of money you get. So in every person you refer, you get 15 cedis, and after they are taking the loan and pay still taking, they are going to give you a commission of that. So just jump into it. After you finish registering, this is how your dashboard is going to look like. Now this is how the dashboard of your app is going to look like. Let's create a new culture of digital money together. To protect your credit history, you will be able to apply for a new loan of this. This is my, I have already taken some loan and I paid, and they said I paid early, so I can't take a loan again. That one is out there. And I'm not ready to take loan. I only purchase it just because whenever I refer someone, the person will earn 15 cedis freely without even purchasing any loan. So for my viewers and my subscribers, that they are the reason why I did this. So now, if it's your own, they will tell you to apply for your loan. But before you are to register, I'm using an iPhone. Is something hard when using a trick of getting one app into the all those things to create account. Some of these apps, when you try, they'll try to block your accounts again. That's why I just go straight. So when you're registering, there are some requirements to ask. Just follow the instructions depending on the work you do and how you want to loan, and just fix every details they ask you. There is no any guarantee. All you need is your Ghana card and your location and your address. They'll just ask some questions. After you finish answering, they'll give you the amount that you have qualified for. We are not here to collect any loan, but what we need is they said improve your video scores to access large loan amount. That's when you are adding other addresses about you. That is not what we are talking about. When you come down here, they say sharing is caring. You both get rewards when your friend takes their first loan with your unique referral code. So invite friend, and now this is what they say: invite a friend to get to video and get a 15 cedi cash reward. When a friend takes their first loan using your referral code, you will both receive a cash bonus direct to your mobile account. Now here is my referral code. They say how it works. So here is the referral code. My referral code is GHBUMAL5. So we have I can share it here, and the referral link is also here. When you tap on it, the link will just direct the person straight to App Store or Play Store to download their video app. Thank you for watching this. So do this and you thank me later. Thank you for watching this, and you are welcome once again. Please, if this is your first time, just subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification post. Like this video, put your comment there, and let's move together as a family. God bless you all.